Fed minutes are in focus on this Wednesday. On Tuesday, U.S. indices fell sharply as Alcoa started third quarter earnings season with a miss. Also, long-term interest rates edged higher. Shares in the healthcare equipment and services, pharmaceuticals, biotech and life sciences, and the semiconductors and semiconductor equipment sectors fell the most under pressure. Now, in terms of economic data releases, the NFIB Small Business Optimism Index fell slightly to 94.1 in September from 94.4 in the previous month. In terms of U.S. advancers and decliners, 96% of S&P 500 constituents traded lower yesterday. And in the after-hours market, Stanley Black & Decker announced plans to acquire the tools business of Newell Brands for $1.95 billion in cash. The company expects to fund the acquisition with a combo of available cash and debt. And American Airlines reached an agreement with the Transport Workers Union on a new joint collective bargaining agreement for the company's flight instructors. Today, in terms of earnings, CSX will report its earnings. Third quarter EPS is seen at 45 cents on sales of approximately $2.7 billion. The results will be coming out after the market close. As for economic data today at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, the August JOLTS openings report will be released. And at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, we will be getting the Fomc meeting minutes from the September 21st meeting. For a look at the overseas markets, Asian markets traded lower today. The Nikkei was down over 1%, Hang Seng off minus 0.6%, but South Korea's Kospi gained just 0.09%. European indices are flat in midweek trade. And for the U.S. equity indices, the S&P 500 is in focus. On an intraday basis, the key resistance stands at 2140. Trading Central analysts prefer short positions below 2140 with targets at 2121 and 2113 in extension. As for the Nasdaq, on an intraday basis, it is under pressure. And for the Dow Jones Industrial Average, it is also under pressure.